Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by pulling the latest balance sheet and cash flow report. This ensures numbers match across sources. Once done, isolate cash and marketable securities, then list short-term and long-term debt separately so you won't double count. Make a working spreadsheet named Net Cash 2, 3 and save a backup. That protects your work while you adjust entries. Now start entering values row by row and use consistent currency. This prevents reconciliation errors later. You now compute net cash. Add cash plus marketable securities and equivalents, then subtract interest-bearing debt. That gives a base figure. Make adjustments for restricted cash or escrow amounts so the result reflects usable liquidity, and account for consolidated subsidiaries that could hide liabilities. Once you include these adjustments, reconcile every line with the financial statement notes to confirm classification. If numbers still mismatch, trace back to the original source lines and verify rounding or currency conversions. You finish by documenting all assumptions, the report date, and currency beside the final net cash 2. 3 figure so users understand scope. Then run a quick sensitivity. Adjust cash and debt by 10% to see how robust the result is and to catch input errors. Finally, validate totals against the balance sheet and cash flow statement. If numbers still look off, re-examine classifications, currency conversion, and consolidation entries. That single misclassified line usually explains discrepancies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.